welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nathina Ansonets, and yes, I am in a full snuggie. You want to see the back? Look at it. I got a cat on my booty. Cat. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I did these quote unquote, I think they're pretty knotless, and all I did was overhand braid, but knotless chunky box braids over my thick chunky locks. I was getting bored, and when I get bored with my hair, bad things tend to happen. I'm trying to stay on this lock journey, so I was like, let's braid it up. I still had hair that I had gotten from Trendy Tresses. I will put the video for the review and that whole series in the description, so y'all can check that hair out. I believe it's only about like $9.99 a pack, like $10 a pack or something like that. It's their crochet hair, and it reminds me of like really long kinky twist hair. Basically, I think this was 20 inches or 22. I don't remember. But this is what the hair looks like. I chose to use this over regular braiding hair because of the texture of my, my locks or whatever. It's more like frizzy, and the straighter Knotless hair, I don't think it would cover my locks as well. You know what I'm saying? So I went with this. So I'm just gonna do like a quick little video on how I made this happen. I think it came out pretty cute. I think it'll, maybe if I get some more jewelry, it'll be more exciting and I can live with this for a little while. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.